Nature is beautiful, right? So much greenery around us. But why? Because leaves contain chlorophyll, a green pigment found in small structures called chloroplast. So basically, plant cell contain plastid and the plastid contain chloroplast, in which we can find the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorbs the blue and red light, reflecting only the green wavelengths. That's why we see the color green. Chlorophyll uses sunlight to turn carbon dioxide and water into glucose. This process is called photosynthesis. Just like chlorophyll, there are other pigments which decides the color of fruits and flowers.